Any business can make a million in sales online. Either it's curtains, window blinds, or closes. Everything sells. The product isn't the problem. The problem is when the shop is too complex, people get confused and they leave. Your goal is to make curtain designing process so simple and easy that even a first home buyers would be able to buy online or get in touch with you. That's the job of your online store, to capture leads or to make the sale. The mistake most shop owners make, they spend 80% of their time on the landing page creation. But the landing page is maybe 10% of success. The other 90% comes from the things that actually drives sales. And that's what we will cover in this video. My name is Arias, I'm from company Interior App. I've been in this curtain and blind industry for more than 15 years. I built shop that worked and shop that failed. In this video, I'll give you the structure I now use for every store I work with. Follow it and you will cut out months of mistakes. The first thing you need to do is think like a business owner. Okay, you will ask me, what does it mean? Not as a website owner, but as a business owner. Because your online shop is not just a website, it's a real business. So think of it in this way. When someone walks into your retail shop, what happens? You or your team say, hello, you offer a coffee or a glass of water, you chat with them. Within seconds, you know if they are just browsing or they are serious buyers. If they are serious, you guide them and help them to buy. So now imagine the online shop. You don't have none of that. No hello, no coffee, no water, no chat, no sales team. And that's the scary part, because every visitor is like a customer walking in. But if they don't feel caught in the first few seconds, they simply leave. That's the biggest problem in the e-commerce market. People don't think about the online shop as a business. They think about it as a pretty website or nice website to have. One of the most important things I would like to talk is your content and keywords and how they matter. Every single word you put online matters. Blog posts, product descriptions, titles, all of it. If you write about shiny interiors or beautiful wallpapers that match with your curtains, someone searching for wallpapers on Google might land on your page. But when they click, they don't see wallpapers, they will see curtains and blinds. And they think, wrong site, and they will leave. That's what we call churn. And when Google sees churn, it punishes you. Your store simply drops in search results. So every keyword must be relevant. If you sell curtains, so write and talk only about curtains, curtain fabrics, curtain installations, fittings, measurings. Keep it focused, keep it clean. Okay, so how to treat your online store like a real business or a real shop. I like this Warren Buffett saying, don't think of stock as a piece of paper you buy for $100. Think of it as a piece of business you buy. Same with your online shop. Don't think of it as a website. Think of it as a real shop. In a retail shop, you sweep the floor or entrance, every single morning. In the online shop, you check your homepage. In a retail shop, you have sales staff. In the online shop, you need a system that greet, guide, and sell. In a retail shop, the showroom is clean and beautiful. In the online shop, your product pages and images must be clear and professional. Both are real businesses. Both sell. The mindset has to be the same. So now let's talk about pricing. Pricing is everything. With bespoke products like curtains and blinds, you don't show prices, you don't expect sales. At best, 1 out of 10,000 visitors might leave you a message, the rest will just leave. That's why the calculator is a must-have tool. It works both ways, as a sales tool and as a lead capture tool. Here's what to do. Install a calculator on every single product. Add your prices, add all the variants, and keep it simple. In retail, face-to-face, you can explain every single detail. Either it's curtain with borders, linings, weights, finishings, fabric direction. That works in store. Online, it simply kills sales. The more complex it looks, the fewer people will buy. For curtains, make it clear. Step 1, pick heading style. Step 2, pick fabric. Step 3, pick lining or no lining. That's it. 3 steps. Clear, fast, no confusion. If you will go deeper, you can fade these dangers. As an example, you will ask what fullness ratio you want. Most buyers have no idea about that. They will leave your store, Google it, land on your competitor's blog post where they explain this in a simple language, and guess what? They will buy down there. You warmed up those leads, but they spend money elsewhere. So don't do that. Keep it simple. Show the prices for a single curtain or a pair of curtains, then give 2 choices: buy now or get in touch for more information. And that's it. That's how you turn traffic into sales or quality leads. In the last part of these videos, we will connect everything into interior app software. This is where all the hard work comes together. Your shop, your pricing, your calculator, your leads, and your orders all flow into one system. And here's what that means. You connect your Shopify store, you are uploading your fabrics, products, pricing grids, you are setting up your margins, and you see your profits clearly. Every sale goes straight into the system, ready for production. From there, jobs are managed in one simple place. Orders sent directly to your workroom, your manufacturer, your supplier. No more chasing emails, no more spreadsheets. Just one simple flow from customer to delivery. Sounds simple? That's how you have to manage your business. And this is why it matters. Without a system, you can't scale. With a system, you grow without chaos. So here's the big picture. Keep your shop simple, use a calculator to show prices, manage leads and jobs in one place, and connect everything into a software, like interior app. Do this and you can scale without the chaos. If you are ready to grow your business, subscribe to this channel, check the links below to learn more about interior app. And if you want a professional walkthrough, get in touch with us. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.